Hey everyone, today I'm going to take you to see the progress we have made on this project that we're adding a large addition in the garage space. So I actually haven't seen this house myself for a few months. I'm very excited and I'm going to show you some behind the scenes and some down to the studs spots, so it will be very exciting. So let me show you the interior. We've made a lot of progress so far, and you can see that in this entryway, there was wood paneling on both sides, and they're all gone now, and it's all new sheetrock. And on the flooring, there was ugly tiles that is replaced with new hardwood floors. In the ceiling, there was a dated chandelier that was replaced with some new recessed lights. Now follow me into this living room. There was no ceiling lights in here, and now there are 2 rows of recessed lights, and the window is still as dirty as before, so we didn't actually do much over there yet, but there's new flooring. We ended up deciding to replace the parquet floor because the style is not popular anymore. On this fireplace, we removed the wood paneling on top and sheetrocked over there, but the rest of the fireplace is still the same. I think we'll probably just end up painting it and keep this style because after a fresh coat of paint, it would look a lot better. And on the dining room here, there's day and night change because we removed this wall that was separating the kitchen from the dining room. So now this is a whole wide open space that looks amazing. We haven't really put in any kitchen cabinets yet. The walls are all open and it's down to the studs because we're going to upgrade the plumbing and electrical in this kitchen, and we're also expanding this kitchen space because it was pretty small right around here, and now we're actually extending it to this old casual dining space, and that would allow us to add a lot more cabinets and counter space. So this kitchen would be a lot bigger and a lot more open than before. Going this way, we actually get to the bedroom and bathroom side. So this guest bathroom is all down to the studs, and we added some new framing here. We haven't put in any finish materials yet. We're still just on the rough plumbing and electrical, but the layout of this space hasn't changed. So we have the tub at the end, and then the toilet in the middle, and then the vanity at the front right by the door. Let's keep going this way. So through this hallway, we get to the first bedroom. In this bedroom, there's not a lot of changes yet. We removed the baseboards and we're running some electrical down there. But other than that, we just replaced the closet door and the interior door, and we still need to refinish the hardwood floors here, add a ceiling light, repaint the room. And then the second bedroom over here, it's kind of similar, but we have a toilet in the middle of the room that's going to be removed at some point. We also did some patching on the walls, and we run electrical on the bottom, and we removed the baseboards but haven't really replaced them yet. And we're also going to put a new door on this closet. And this is actually also the primary bedroom. The bathroom is completely gutted. Before, there was a vanity area right here and a closet area over here. The bathroom itself was so small and cramped in that side, and we decided to completely change the layout. So we're actually putting the shower on this entire wall. So the shower will be very good sized, and then the toilet will be here. The vanity that was in the corner over there before is going to be relocated to this whole space. So it will become a new double vanity, which is amazing for a primary bathroom. So we haven't put in any lightings in here yet. It's a little dark, but we definitely are going to have vanity lights and recessed lights as well. So this is about it on the main level, and now let's check out the downstairs. So down the stairs, we get to the bottom level. That was a huge garage and a family room before. This was an opening into the large family room, but now it's closed off and we have the new opening on this side instead. And there's a small hallway here. We put up a lot of framing. This was all part of the oversized garage before, but now it has become a new bedroom. You may recall that the washer and dryer was on this wall, and there was the HVAC and the water heater around here. So now it's enclosed and all these things were relocated. So now we have a closet framed over here and a door added right here to make this a true bedroom. And then further down, we have the garage. That's actually a one-car garage now. It was a huge space all in one room before, but now this is just this one-car garage. It's still pretty long, pretty good sized. On this side, there's the large family room that we had before. We trenched it to put in new plumbing. This space is still going to be a family room. So in this family room, there's a lot of debris from trenching, and we added a ton of recessed lights in the ceiling, and still the walls are open with studs. Over here, there was a small office space before, but now it's enlarged and it's a very good sized bedroom. So this room has a window overlooking the backyard and also a new closet framed on the other side. In this second bedroom, there was a door going to the backyard before, but we had to remove it because there are two different levels of the ground outside and inside. So if we kept the door, water could get into the house. So we chose to replace it with a window instead. And similarly, the window in the family room was also kept. We replaced it, but we couldn't make it a slider as we wanted because of the same reason, the two different levels of the ground, and it's just not safe to put in a door here. So we just kept it as a window, but it still brings in a lot of natural light. It's unfortunate that after we replaced that door with a window, there's not easy access to the backyard from inside the house. We actually had to climb out this window, but there's nothing we can do about it. And we haven't really done much to the backyard yet. There's a lot of debris that we're going to clean up. And we did, however, remove the outdoor shower that was here. I hope you enjoyed this update, and we're going to speed up and try to finish this project in the next couple of months. So make sure you stay tuned to see the after video when it's ready. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.